Ebushafo na ye cheche obi biara sanso e ma ahwefo etiefo adofo ye magana fo nyina ye mo bi biara akwaba edi eba Attention TV so your most inspirational YouTube channel. Hobrasa kwanso when you are new to the channel na so nya subscribe ya bon humodne na subscribe ne kama enfa e my send be ya nya the video fufo nya betudwa pa obenya nkai bon na ozo aba channel so mo zo hu ne e koso e wo man Ghana emu ebushafo ebra mensa wobre na ye nhye ensem na se na ye mfa emam ebushafo na ye se form na ya share ensem na se na ye di amamodia na the tense for about 1 to 2 months it was all over the social media say fella Makafui and Medikal wamaware ne egu na in fact sa semi ebe ya asema eyedeja e wo Ghana mu anya asem keto esan say about 2 years ago ni and it was all over the social media say fella Makafui and Medikal wama tie not say me kasa wama tie not na just wama komo abom say awarefo enti na ebe ye nije say manya asem keto Ghana celebrities ne anumtofuo ne esinitwafo bebre na kopiem odwumadi na se it was very massive and tremendous na eye kama pa na over 2 months to 3 months it was all over the social media say wamaware ne egu na ebra asemi beto social media na manfo ndindi na ebinu say no kra ebinu say nya no kra na nei medical e dey aba betu dwa sampa aware ne egu na ebra oye video ni we could see the pain yawa in fact abranti chirem wafemu aware ni manya asem keto a o chirem abra wa breboa fella Makafui abro no in fact nyoma wafemu no ebuchafo yankuni nko TV na yemresisia
oba me ma he o wa de oni me ma me nkasa o block me ma me ankasa wa block me on Twitter me nya ba oni ne nkasa oni obi ankasa me no kasa o say no omo mpe wa asem into wa forget you. I'm like they are no my own to omo mpe wa asem don't feel this for the sake of family overlook all those things o say no oni omo nkasa. I'm like cool ni you see me you cool me no problem because I love you me danyamia say me farm sanka lady nedra because the akoso nyina ama me hu adwen or fa me hu. I've never been abusive, I've never been violent. There was a time when I make a baby because I almost started church on him, so no problem. Time I take a Caterpillar Junction over East Legon. There was this day. Oh, really, me war by me feel hustle suspect. This be no be your baby. So that is no any cousin bless nani wo feel. Ama me book game. Me now phone and net 2 hour book game. Me any Kwame Zane. Then me my witnesses. They know they here today. Then they America by here. Shouts to Kwame Zane. Tea I mean no. If you tea they go me home to coffee cup no or to tea cup no. Ebo me tea. Ede me PlayStation, Ashley TV no Pi TV no. Ede me laptop I be the recording was studio. Ebo form mane Pi. Eko fa hanger. Ebe bubo beti so. I never made a move, man. Two men, sir. I just called Lakeside Police Station. Say yo, I beg them, make them come carry them my sister from my house because every day they come around, they come and patrol. They are people. So I was like, me person the amount we be because me to me say problem. A woman is innocent until proven guilty. A man is guilty until proven innocent. And I don't want to be in that position. They handcuffs they go inside. So me say when be they all here wa hano me pama chow mama mon call for me for me free quietly because I don't want any problem. I sama make away. So me boy. Yamin chia make us say I make us say. Pa colleague side Nana Chrome police station. Go and ask the chief officer what happened. Or the coffee, tea cup. Tea I mean no. Me now for book game I mean no tea. She go be home. The cup ni she me trim. Eko fa hanger. Ebe bubo me trim. Ni de cause the croya so no fi obi. Onon po na na pata. If I dey lie, you see, already also they make cocotte. She wants my house, wherever, or they make cocotte. When we go, I'll say all these things to her face. So on Sronya on deny some boy. I'm not here to lie. There's this picture being painted, say, yeah, me a childish now. Bema Ben on your ban no about online, no about Bekasa. No problem. I like to be the childish one. Mopa Mumuni Paniso enjoy hold you know the unkasa or matured. But you see what I'm going through. Mina me wo jane ho. Mina me ni said the sheshe me sifa. The person can be mute and act all matured in quote and whatever. But I'll say how or as it is for people to understand what's happening, so the narrative won't be changed, or the public no go pre the thing in a different way and see me as a demon, because I'm not. My whole life I've never been abusive, I've never been violent. I've dated a lot of prominent people. I've dated matured people, like I've dated rich people. I had a relationship with Sister Deborah. You can find out from her. Say me abusive and I'm violent, and I say me and a bonibi and I'm turning truby. That's not who I am. But you see, the situation we are there inside, I know see some before for my life. I've been with a lot of loads of women. No, I have experience. I met people that I got involved with or I fell in love with. But you see what they go through now. It be torture. If you be another man, you go fit taking life because of this. But you see, I'm a very strong person, and I see life like adventure. The course will be I'm who say, okay, at this point in life, this can happen, that can happen. Anything up to now, mean to me side. Mean for me sanka obabia. Mean disrespect you be, mean boo be, mean you be at them. 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, they see what you want to say. Before say me to Kwanako London, they catch a lady and say, Madam, me pacho. Unyano, that be no be free because what's enough you watch it. So, I didn't make us a man or find any place around. Now, at that time, with the co-parents, we know they again. Kawan also attract to promote Dubai. I say cool, me know what band till there. The person calling who na nature. I don't want to cause any dramatic scenes. Now calling who near maybe. Me born ya me ya and say me friend or sister no so cousin or family member and say bless, please, you've been living with us for so long. I beg you, move from the house because I don't feel comfortable with you being in this space. Today be me driving me go closer to now no shame me nakedness. You are always around. You are like I don't have a problem with
Ebuja for sa pepe and ha na me de ensemi nyina ebesi e de amomia me de ensemi from me de ara energy covenant.